What up, what up, what up? We finally got the rain barrel and the greenhouse all hooked up. I wasn't able to set up the drip lines with it like I had before, just because the pressure in it is not nearly enough. I'm probably going to get around maybe 5 psi once it's full, and if it's only half full, I might only get like 3 psi, which just isn't enough to go through a water timer, and really isn't even enough to go through any type of splitter. So I just fill up the little watering cans, which is fine. Allows me to come in here and view the plants. There is nothing right now, but everything is planted. It just needs to pop up. So I just have this 55-gallon rain barrel with just a single outlet at the bottom. I did raise it up as much as I could before it hit the actual plastic. Cut a little hole in the back, and then I just put a mesh screen on here. You can get these things on Amazon. They're like rain barrel screens or whatever, downspout screens. And then I hooked it up to the shed. The downspout slash eaves slash gutter on the shed. Installed that, which is just a vinyl plastic. Super cheap. I think it was only like $15 for all of this. So the minimal water that the shed has run off has filled up that whole 55-gallon, and it's only rained maybe 4 days, so that's pretty nice. Again, I was too cheap to buy the outlet or the drop down that you get with these, but the 10-foot piece of actual gutter itself or eaves itself was $15, and then they wanted $15 just for the little down the outlet, so I 3D printed myself one. Added a little screen in the top and the bottom. I'll put all of the STL files in the description for that. But again, graded nice. Boom, water goes down here and it goes right into the greenhouse. So essentially I have unlimited water depending on how much it rains. I did paint the roof too, just so that it was nice and clear and clean of any, like, I don't know, debris. There's no water sitting in here, so it's obviously running down. That's nice. Super handy. But I know I mentioned this like 2 years ago that I wanted to do this, and I finally got around to doing it. So here's the video. Better late than never, right? So first season being able to just easily get water in here, that's awesome. Super excited. Peace, love, and cheers.